Hey there guys, welcome back to another PrizeCP Roblox Studio Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to change the game icon of your Roblox game. Now, take for example this game right here, Pebble Heaven. I have an icon for that. This game right here does not have an icon, so Roblox is just giving you a default random icon, game icon. And this one here, I have just uploaded a game icon for this game, but it's going to take some time for Roblox to review the image that you have uploaded, and once it's approved, you're gonna see the new image here for the game. So again, this game here, I have not uploaded a game icon for this game. So let's now go over the steps using the new Roblox latest dashboard to see how to do it. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the game that we wanna upload a game icon for. I'm gonna click on the win factor, this game right here. On this next page, we're gonna click on the three bars up here, and we're gonna select places. Here we're gonna select the place that we want to upload the game icon for. So I'm gonna select this only place that I have for this game right here. And now we're gonna click on these three bars again to get the menu, and we're gonna select icon. From here, select image, click on change. I'm gonna select this image right here, and I'm gonna scroll up, click on save changes. Now remember, as I have mentioned before, Roblox is gonna review this image. Once it is approved, you're gonna see the image appearing for your game icon. After about 10 or 15 minutes, you can see right here, I have successfully uploaded the game icon for my Roblox game. Everyone, thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next tutorial. Take care.